Explain how to compute data in a Jamovi. This is for the students who doesn't have SPSS. Remember, SPSS is normally paid for you to use it. It has a 14 free version, after which you cannot use it until you subscribe for it. So let's just proceed to computing data set in Jamovi. You click data, then compute. So this B2 I'll have to delete. If you want to delete, you just right click, then you delete that variable. So you click there. So let me click A. What is our data variable? Let me say it is gender. Then I describe the gender. So I can say gender. I can even say student's gender. Then what is gender? Gender is nominal. Nominal to mean that we cannot write gender in terms of figures. So data type of data, we are going to use let's use an integer, okay? So that is it. If there is missing value, you can indicate there, but we can leave it that way. Alternatively, you can use a text so that we can maybe write male, female, like that. Sorry for that. Then I can click for B, maybe age. Then in the description I write age of students. Students. So age is a number, so we can write it and maybe continuous, meaning that it can be a value that can be written in terms of years and months. So we will be using a value. So an integer is a whole number, positive or just a positive. Provided a value is a whole number, it is an integer. So we can click there, then you proceed. So let me write here gender. I can decide to write male, female, female, male, male. So under the age, let me just pick 12, 23, maybe 11, 15 and 7. Okay, so I'm going to use that data set to explain. So let me try to analyze now. How do we now analyze the data? Maybe you want to understand the frequency. You want to know the frequency of our outcome, and we are going to use the independent sample t-test of association, because there are two variables that we've just picked. So we have the contingency variable. I'm going to click the gender in my row, and the column I'm going to pick our age. So let's see what comes in. Let's see what we get there. It is still loading. I don't know the challenge. Perfect. So as you can see, we have the contingency table. It is loading. We have the gender, then we have the total, male, female, total. Then we have the chi-square test. So there is a challenge in our data set. We can go back to data and see where the problem is. So let me try to delete C first, so that I see if we'll still have the same challenge. So where were we? We were analyzing. Let me just use an outcome, goodness of it, and see. So I'm using gender. Let me see the gender only. I'm going to work out the gender to see our goodness of fit, the chi-square goodness of fit, in a moment. And yes, perfect. So male, we have 3 males as you can see in the count, then we have the 2 females. So you can easily know the frequency of male and females that was in the data set. by simply clicking the frequency. The frequency